Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you the best snacks for weight loss. Okay, these are healthier snacks so you can stay on track if you're trying to get slimmer, if you're trying to get snatched, and also if you're trying to get healthier. These are the kind of snacks you should be having. As you guys know, I've been on a weight loss journey. I've been trying to lose weight just like many of you out there. I try to be as strict as I can on my diet, or try to eat as clean as I can, and the most occasion what spoils it for me is snacking. I can have really good balanced meal or a nice big salad bowl, and right after eating that I mess up because I snack too much, and also I snack on the wrong kind of food. I wasn't losing the weight, I eat right, but I snack on the wrong things and I snack too much. So that made me not to lose weight. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys today, to let you guys know what kind of snacks I'm snacking on right now that's actually helping me lose weight. I know there's different types of snacks out there, and you guys may prefer some type of snacks to the ones I'm going to tell you in this video. When you're choosing your snacks, 3 things that you should look out for. You should look out for calories that's in the snack. You look out for fiber if the snacks have fiber in it, and also protein. Those are the 3 things you should look out for when you're having your snack. But what I would say, guys, is that you need to have your snack ready all the time. Okay, ready to eat. This would avoid you from having the wrong type of snack. Even if you're on the go, if you're at work, if you're on holiday, on a vacation, you should always have your snack handy and ready to eat. Another thing, you guys, from my experience, don't snack every day. Try not to snack every day because it's going to slow down your weight loss process. Don't do it like me, snack every other day. All right, so let me get into it. I went to the shops, to the supermarkets, to the stores to buy my snack. I've got them in this bag. I'm going to show you what I'm having and what you can have with it. My number 1 snack is eggs. To be precise, boiled egg, you guys. This is my snack, okay? This is a very, very healthy snack to have, especially when it's boiled. Eggs are rich in protein. They're very high in protein. And guess what, you guys? They're less than 100 calories in each egg. And you can have up to 2. They're like 79 calories per egg. If you boil your egg, it's a lot healthier. So guys, this is what I do, okay? Snacks doesn't have to be boring. When I boil my eggs, I have it with some chili sauce. You can add cayenne pepper or any pepper that you have that you love if you like chili stuff. Adding pepper to your boiled egg is very, very good. Egg will give you protein, which will keep you full, and this will boost your metabolism, and this would also curb your hunger. I always like to add chili sauce to my boiled egg, okay? So that's my number 1 option for snack. Healthy option for snack. My number 2 option is salted popcorn. Okay, this is a brand that I normally like to buy. The popcorn is in packs. It's sea salted popcorn. It's not a sweet popcorn. That's what you need, okay, for your weight loss. You don't need anything that has sugar in it. It's got 6 packs in it. Each pack has 44 calories per pack. Let me just open this so you can see what I mean. It comes in these packs. It's better to buy your popcorns in this pack, actually. In big packs that has got little snack packs in it, okay? Right, it's better to buy your popcorn in this way because you know exactly how many calories you're snacking on. Again, it's less than 100 calories, only 44 calories, and you can have 2 of these, all right? 2 of these in a day if you want to. Avoid buying popcorns in a big pack. The reason why I'm telling you this is that we can overdo it, we can overeat. I used to do it a lot. You can overeat your popcorn without even knowing, without even realizing how much calories you've just put inside your body. You can finish the whole pack of popcorn and you're still hungry again. If you're watching a movie, you can get carried away and you're eating your popcorn and everything. So yeah, avoid eating from the bag. What you need is a handful of this popcorn, and you can put it in a bowl and eat it from the bowl instead of eating from a pack. All right, so it's either you eat from the bowl or you buy popcorn that has the little packs in it. All right, so that's for the popcorn, people. I hope you're enjoying my video so far. I haven't gone anywhere yet. This is still my number 2 option for your healthy snack. But if you're enjoying it so far, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're subscribed, please give me a like. Give me a big thumbs up. My 3rd option for the best snacks for weight loss is fruits. I've got some grapes, apples, watermelon, pawpaw. Okay, papaya. This is grapes. This is red grapes. It doesn't have to be red. With this, I normally freeze them. Freezing them will definitely make you eat less of the grapes because it contains a lot of sugar. We don't want too much sugar in our system coming from grapes. If you haven't tried it, you guys, you need to try freezing grapes. It curbs your sugar cravings. Just have like a handful of grapes and that's all you should be having because it has a lot of sugar. Apples is excellent fruit when it comes to weight loss. It contains a lot of fiber. They're less in calories. They're like about 52 calories in 100 grams of an apple. So this is a very good snack to have when you're hungry because it makes you full and also it reduces that sugar cravings as well. With apple, again, it doesn't have to be boring. I mix it with peanut butter, like a tablespoon of peanut butter. Got some watermelon, just slice it into slices. Watermelon is full of water, it's full of fiber. 100 grams of this is only like 30 calories in it. And it's a great source of amino acids which will help burn the fat very, very quickly. So this watermelon is a very good option when it comes to weight loss, okay? So this next one is pawpaw. We call it pawpaw, I'm African, but over here they call it papaya. Okay, this is it. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys would know, but in my country this is a big fruit. Okay, it's bigger than this, but over here they call it papaya, but it's about the same thing. I don't know what you guys call it. Comment below, let me know what you call this. I would like to know in the comment below what you call this fruit, wherever you're watching from. This is also very, very good for weight loss. It contains a lot of fiber. It's gonna keep you fuller for longer. Okay, I missed out on one other fruit. This is grapefruit. Grapefruit is excellent. If you want to burn fat, have this. If you want to reduce sugar cravings, have this. If you want to lose weight fast, have this. It's a good fat burner. I actually did a video, I think it was military diet, and I had this grapefruit and I lost a lot of weight on that. If you haven't seen it, you can always go and watch it. The next one that I got is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent snack to have. They're very high in protein. Avoid buying other type of flavored yogurt. They're packed with sugar. You need to go for a Greek yogurt. What I normally do with this, I mix it with blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Okay, just try and keep it in the berries families. Okay, and also to sweeten up the yogurt, you can have just a tiny bit of raw unfiltered honey, but avoid flavored yogurts. They're no good for us. It's just gonna make us put on weight. Okay, my next option is nuts. You can have peanuts or you can have cashew nuts. Guys, let me tell you how I do my cashew nuts. If you haven't tried this, try it. You're going to love eating this, but be careful, you guys. This has a lot of fat in it, so you have to be very careful. You can measure it for 30 grams of peanuts at one serving. Right, so what I do with this, I roast them. Have you had roasted cashew nuts? If you have, let me know in the comments below, you guys. That is the best way to eat these cashew nuts. Okay, so I roast them in my air fryer. It's so nice. You want to take it easy on the cashew or the peanuts, okay, that you're eating. 30 grams per serving. Okay, that's all you need of this because it's high in fat. Okay, and then let's see what else we have here. We have some carrot. This is a healthy food. It's a low calorie food. It's going to make you feel fuller as well. Okay, so this is very healthy. I normally combine this with hummus. Okay, with this I combine the carrots with hummus. Very, very nice. You need some dips, okay? It doesn't have to be boring, you guys. I enjoy having these two together. You always have the calorie information at the back of the food. Always look at the food, what you're buying. So it's got a mix of chickpeas, tahini paste, and garlic. That's the one I've got. I've got a classic one. So what I normally have, I just have 1 cup of carrots and 2 to 3 tablespoons of hummus, okay? That's just under 140 calories together. If you have it together, this is a good option for your snack. My next item that I got and I love to have is dark chocolate with crunchy chickpeas, you guys. This I love because I try not to, kind of deprive myself too much. If you're a sweet tooth kind of person and you're getting that sugar craving, this would help. I like to snack on this. It's got 129 calories, 4 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fiber. So per portion is 30 grams. Again, you guys, this is not to be eating all the time. All right, eat it every other day when you feel like, oh, I need some chocolate. Just something to trick your mind of, okay, that I've had you know, I've had some chocolates or something. Just try and keep your calories for snacking as low as you can. If you can keep it under 100, that's good. If you can keep it like under 130, let's just try and push it a bit, or 150, that's good. No more than 150 for snack. Not at one time, I mean for the day. Okay, for the day. So if you're gonna have this, that's what you're gonna have for the day. All right, so my next one is, you guys, my next one is plantain chips. Okay, this is plantain chips, you guys. I've done a video on this. I made plantain chips from the scratch, from raw, no fat added, no oil added. It's nice and crispy. It's a healthy carb that will boost your metabolism and also would burn fat, okay? If you prepare it your way. Most of these things, they fry with a lot of deep oil. I've done it in a healthier way. That's a healthier option of making these plantain chips, and you can do it yourself. It's very, very easy. I know you might think it's time consuming, but that is the way to lose weight, you guys. You have to put time into it and try and do things yourself. So I make this, I make it with green plantain. I'm African, you guys. We like our plantain chips, and if you're watching me right now and if you like to eat this, do it my way. So I have these plantain chips with guacamole. These two combined is so good, you guys. If you buy these plantain chips from the store, per serving 30 grams, okay, just 30 grams of plantain chips and a 1/4 cup of this guacamole. Again, look at the nutrition information at the back of the food. For this guacamole is 50 calories per 1/4 pot of the guacamole. 30 grams of this, and with 1/4 cup of this is less than 150 calories. This is so good, you guys. I'm just gonna even try it whilst we are talking about this. So this is what I do. I put it in the bowl and I dip it. This is it. Like I mentioned earlier, you may choose to have a different type of snack that I haven't mentioned today. If you do, please always look at the nutrition information on the back of the snack. Make sure you check for the calories, check that it has fiber. Fiber is what would keep you fuller for longer. Make sure it has protein in it, because protein sends signal to our brain that we've just eaten, that we're full. So it makes us not to be hungry very quickly. Okay, if you snack on things like sweets that's got sugar in it, starchy things like cakes, guys, all you're doing is putting up your blood sugar high, putting your insulin high, is breaking down and is storing as fat in our body. That's why most of the time we're wondering why we're not losing the weight. You're trying your best, you're eating everything right, you're eating your salad, you're counting your calories, you're doing your portion control. We're wondering why we're not still losing weight when we're doing everything right. It might be the snacking and snacking the wrong type of food. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's it. I hope I provided value. If I have, again, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe, thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Thank you again for watching. Bye.